Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, it's The Friendly Grower. Some of you might know me by Adam on social media and Facebook and other places. I had a viewer ask me about my carbon filter setup because I mentioned in a Facebook group that I use a do-it-yourself method. I don't buy the pre-made carbon filters. I find them to be just overly priced, and I can build it myself. On top of not having to worry about smell in my grow, it's just not something that is a sensible buy in my opinion for my needs. I'm not saying that it's not a smart buy. There's a lot of people that it's a very good thing for, but in my case, it makes no difference. And if I can save myself a couple, some money and learn something along the way, I'm definitely going to go that route. Even if I have to do a little more work, I would still do it that way. I'd rather do things myself than go out and buy something. So, on to my method. It's really, really simple. You're going to need three things for material, and probably a screwdriver, and a pair of scissors, or like a X-Acto knife. The first thing that we do is we take our O-ring and we will lay it on a table. Second thing we do is we take our air filter cloth. I am using, in case you guys noticed, or guys and girls noticed, I'm using a filter out of my aquarium. It's obviously not used. The pump died and I just had these available. It's basically the same material. Again, if I can save a couple bucks, I'm gonna save a couple bucks. So I use that. So it's O-ring, your first light filter, and then your activated carbon filter, carbon cloth in this case. The way that I do them is just as 3 layers: O-ring, the white layer, the black layer. And then it would get slipped on over your fan. I'll see if I can do a little rough idea, something like that. And then you tighten your O-clamp down onto the inline, and you pretty well have an air filter. Food for thought: when you buy them, you bought your inline fan. It was a 4 inch, a 6 inch, an 8 inch, a 10 inch, whatever size. Whatever size your inline opening is, you want to cut your cloth 2 inches bigger. So this piece I'm holding right now is an 8 inch by 8 inch. And the purpose of that is, so when I wrap this around my filter, I actually have something to clamp onto and hold it in place. My filter, my inline fan itself is actually 6 inches, but you need that little bit of extra place. So what I'm getting at is, if I have a 6 inch inline fan, I'm gonna buy a roll of material that's 16 inches wide. That's gonna give me 2 strips of filters by however many it is long, and I'm just essentially trying to utilize my material as best as possible to minimize waste and maximize savings. Hopefully that helps some people. If anybody has questions, let me know. Join the Facebook group, the Friendly Grower Club. Shoot a message into the comments. I'll do whatever I can to clear it up. It's pretty straightforward, but I know sometimes I can make things complicated, and sometimes people overthink things. So teamwork makes the dream work. We'll figure it out. If you haven't noticed, I'm rocking the Gaia green shirt. They sent me a couple little things to swag. I'm going to be doing some Gaia giveaway. Some more microbial mass. Just things are coming in the future, so stay tuned. If you're not already, like, sub, share, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any of the good stuff. So I will keep you all posted. I will try to cut a little video of my inline fan in action into this video. My lights are currently out, and I've got a little bit of a busy day, so I don't know if I'll have time, but I'll try my best. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you and gave you some insight into saving some money and doing things yourself. I'll try to make a DIY playlist for the future, and I'll put little things that I've done over the time of my grows that kind of made it more suitable to my necessity, or my needs, sorry, and it's just kind of made it my own. It's unique now. Like, I have a little shelf built into my grow area in my tent that I put my fans and my humidifier on, and I find that it just gives me a little bit of, I take a little bit of that dead space that I don't use for growing anything, and I've utilized it for my equipment, which kind of helps. Like a vegetating plant wants humidity lower right at the plant. When the plant's flowering, you don't want such high humidity, so I can kind of lift my humidifier up onto the shelf, turn it down, and then that humidity will kind of rain down over the plants. But I'm also able to turn it down so it's not as much. it kind of makes it more effective, I think. Anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Watch out for updates and giveaways and all that good stuff. Thanks to all our supporters and all the people that have kind of pitched in to make this happen. I appreciate it, and the viewers appreciate it. Catch you all in the next video. Peace out.